Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khalid, and in this tutorial I want to share knowledge on what is the relevance of project-based learning in classrooms. I hope that you will find this tutorial informative. If you are an educator, if you are a teacher, if you are a trainer, this content is very useful for you in the areas of teaching and learning for project-based learning. So just stay in this tutorial. I will share the screen with you and you will get to know that what is the relevance of project-based learning in this 21st century. So if I have to start with the first step in implementing project-based learning, that starts with the essential question, which is the learning objective of the project. Second, design a plan for the project. What will be the plan? Third, create a schedule for the project. Fourth, monitor the students' project progress, that how much progress has been made. And fifth, assess the outcome. Last, evaluate the experience. If I have to give an example to this on project-based learning, say for example, if I am a student and I have got a project from my teacher, so I have to make an app or maybe a website. So the lesson objective or the question would be how to make a website. Design for the plan for the project would be what all steps I will take to design that website. Creating a schedule would be in how much time I will make that website, on what days I will do what. Number fourth, monitor the progress of the project by the student, what all progress I have made in developing the website or maybe a blog. Number fifth, assess the outcome. What is the learning outcome of that project? What all I have learned in making a website or maybe a blog, and evaluate the experience in the last means that what is the strength of the project, what is the feedback given by the instructor, what can be a feed forward given by the instructor to the student. So these all things matter in project-based learning. Moreover, that project-based learning helps in maintaining a database, a record for the instructor, for the teacher, and for the student as well. If you need more explanation to these kind of topics, then please do revert back. I'm really thankful to you for giving your valuable time to this video. Thank you so much, and please do come to my channel more and more. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much.